everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan. This video is the first of our 3-month trek across the United States. We are snowbirds. We like to leave the cold, dreary Oregon weather and the winter months and head south. Jim and I are originally from Southern California, so it gives us a chance to visit with family and friends. We like to stay in an RV park in San Dimas, California. And yeah, we're going to make our way all the way back to Georgia and North Carolina. So let's get started. First stop, San Dimas, California. We like to stay at Bonelli Bluff RV Park. It has beautiful views, really nice wide spots, and it's just safe, people are friendly, and it's our favorite place to stay in that area. We decided to take a trip to Pasadena to go to the Huntington Library and Gardens. And to get there, you have to drive through the beautiful homes. If you've never been to Pasadena, they have gorgeous mansions there. But I have to tell you, I had told Jim the next time we were in Pasadena, I really wanted to see, okay, so I'm going to really age myself by saying this, but one of my favorite shows when I was a kid back in the 70s was the TV show Family, and they filmed that show in Pasadena, and so I really wanted to see the house where they filmed it. So Jim was nice enough to take me there. We found it, and to remind you of what show I'm talking about, cute that is. Okay, now I could die happy. And now we're off to the Huntington Gardens. First we met up with Jim's cousin Michelle, and she was our tour guide. She lives there in the area. They have the paintings, the Blue Boy and Pinky, those famous paintings, and they say if you stare at Pinky and walk around from one side of the room to the other, her face will follow. So of course I had to try that. This place is amazing, guys. Besides having an art gallery, it's got a Japanese garden, a Chinese garden, an Australian garden, a desert garden. It's amazing.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
This is just, that's really pretty.
Shells.
Well, they're rocks.
Are they? Is that just stepping stone?
Our next trip was to Newport Beach, California. We love to go to Newport Beach, and I have to say it was such a surreal moment because, well, you know, I said we had grown up there, and Jim and I used to go there when we were teenagers, you know, before kids and everything, and now it's like time warp because the kids are grown and they're out of the house, and now we're back to just the two of us being, you know, on the beach together. So it was just like, wow, we had that whole in between of 30 years of raising kids, and now, you know, it's just like a blink of an eye and it's back to just the two of you again. It's kind of cool.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Crushed, yeah. Look, there's kids one here.
Jim, oh, smashed their trailer.
Yeah, that was a crazy, crazy windstorm. And when you're inside of a trailer, that sounds so loud and it's so scary when you know you're surrounded by lots of trees. But luckily, we were safe, and so I'm so happy for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it is, like I said, it's the first of many as we travel across the country. Thanks for watching, friends, and hopefully we will see you next time.